वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मान रिकॉर्ड्स। तो आज की वीडियो में हम लॉजिक गेट्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। लॉजिक गेट्स होते क्या हैं? डाटा एंड कंट्रोल इंस्ट्रक्शन मूव इनसाइड अ कंप्यूटर बाय मीन्स ऑफ पल्सेस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। Certain components of computer combine these pulses following a set of rules. These components are logic elements. All digital computer for past 50 years have been constructed using the same type of component. These components are called logic gates. Logic gates have been implemented in many different ways. Currently, logic gates are most commonly implemented using electronic VLSI transistor logic. All basic gates have the ability to accept either one or two input signal depending upon the type of gate and generate one output signal. Input, output. This is single input gate and this is two input gate. These have two input and one output. This has one input and one output. Input and output signal are binary. Binary क्या होते हैं? Always in one of two possible state, typically treated as on or off, means 1 or 0 or true or false. There is a delay between when a change happens at a logic gate's inputs and when the input changes, called gate switching time. The true or false view is most useful for thinking about the meaning of basic logic gate. मतलब 0 और 1 कह सकते हैं आप इसे, ट्रू और फॉल्स कह सकते हैं, ऑन और ऑफ कह सकते हैं. The three basic logic gates are AND, OR, NOT. ये बेसिक गेट्स होते हैं हमारे AND, OR और NOT. Each of these gates may be drawn in either a generic form or electrical engineering form, more common in textbook. ये AND गेट का लॉजिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन है, लॉजिकल सिंबल. इसमें 2 इनपुट होते हैं, 1 आउटपुट होता है. द आउटपुट सिग्नल फ्रॉम एन एंड गेट इज ट्रू, ऑन या 1 इफ एंड only if both input are true on 1. The output signal from an AND gate is false, off, 0 otherwise. AND गेट का सिंबल होता है ये बूलियन अलजेब्रा होता है इसका A इंटू बी. ये ट्रूथ टेबल है इसका 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. तो पहले हम इसका देखते हैं. 0 0 0 इंटू 0 इक्वल टू 0, 0 इंटू 1 इक्वल्स टू 0, 1 इक्वल टू 0 इक्वल्स टू 0, 1 इंटू 1 इक्वल्स टू 1. द डायग्राम ऑफ एंड गेट्स लुक लाइक अ कैपिटल लेटर D. ये हमारा सिंबल इसका D की तरह लगता है, कैपिटल लेटर D की तरह, विथ 2 prongs ऑन द लेफ्ट द इनपुट्स. ये हमारे इनपुट होते हैं और ये हमारा आउटपुट होता है, एंड 1 prong ऑन द राइट द आउटपुट. इफ आइदर ऑफ द आउटपुट इनपुट इज 0 then the output of AND gate is 0. Thus in order to get an AND gate to output 1, both inputs to be must be 1. अगर हमें if either input is 0, अगर इसका इनपुट 0 हुआ तो आउटपुट गेट इज 0. इनपुट अगर 0 है तो आउटपुट भी 0 होगा. AND gate, behavior using a truth table analysis and an animation. Truth table. The table shows that the AND gate responds with a high at the output if signal applied to the input A and B are both high. Animation. In order to see how it works, the gate has been connected to two switches and LED. Continue, see the system in action. This is the example of switch, and this is the truth table of AND gate. Logic gate, OR. This is OR gate. This is logical symbol. The output signal from an OR gate is true, on or 1 if either or both input signal are true, on or 1. The output signal from an OR gate is false, off or 0 if and only if both input signal are false, off or 0. OR gate. This is a symbol of OR gate, and Boolean algebra of OR gate is A plus B. This is the truth table. See this: 0 plus 0 equals to 0, 0 plus 1 equals to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1, 1 plus 1 equals to 1. If either of the input is 1, then the output of the OR gate is 1. Thus, in order to get an OR gate to output both input to it must be 0. OR gate, behavior using a truth table analysis and animation. This is the truth table. This is the switch, two switches of LED representing OR gate, and this is NOT gate, logical symbol. NOT gate logical symbol looks like this, and Boolean algebra of NOT gate is A bar, means it is a reversing. See this: reverse of 0 is 1, reverse of 1 is 0. NOT gate truth table is a chart that lists the input condition on the left and the gate's output response on the right. The table shows that the NOT gate responds at the output with the inverse of signal applied to the input. This is the animation. And these are the sample questions. You can do it by own. Draw a circuit, input XY. This is the answer of first question, second, third and fourth. Thank you friends for watching the video.